There's a noticeable difference between a portable grill that simply travels well and one that genuinely feels capable once you start cooking. And if you've ever been disappointed by weak heat, uneven cooking, or a complicated setup at a campsite or tailgate, this may be the kind of upgrade that changes the experience entirely. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today we're taking a closer look at the Cuisinart chef-style tabletop portable propane grill, a compact 2-burner propane grill designed for campers, tailgaters, apartment dwellers, and anyone who wants full-size grilling performance in a portable format. If you enjoy outdoor cooking but don't want to compromise on control or cooking space, this product immediately makes sense. As always, the purchase link is available in the description below. What separates this grill from many portable options is that it doesn't feel stripped down or temporary. Cuisinart designed it to deliver a more complete grilling experience while remaining lightweight enough to transport comfortably. With 20,000 BTUs of total cooking power, dual independently controlled burners, and a durable stainless steel design, it aims to bridge the gap between portability and real cooking capability. Reason 1. Full-size grilling performance in a portable design. One of the strongest advantages here is the balance between power and portability. Each burner produces 10,000 BTUs, giving the grill enough heat for proper searing while still maintaining steady temperatures for slower cooking. Unlike many compact grills that struggle with heat consistency, this one feels far closer to a traditional backyard setup. Reason 2. Dual burner control adds genuine flexibility. The independent burner controls allow you to create 2 separate heat zones, which becomes extremely useful in real-world cooking. You can sear burgers or steaks on one side while gently heating vegetables or buns on the other. That flexibility makes the grill more practical for families, gatherings, or anyone preparing multiple foods at once. Reason 3. Quick setup makes outdoor cooking easier. Portable equipment should simplify outdoor trips, not complicate them. This grill sets up in less than 10 minutes without requiring tools, which matters more than people often realize. Whether you're arriving at a campsite late or setting up before a tailgate, the straightforward design removes unnecessary frustration from the process. Reason 4. Lightweight but thoughtfully built. At only 22 pounds, the grill remains easy to carry without feeling fragile. The folding legs, locking lid, and integrated carry handle make transport much more convenient, especially for frequent travelers. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it delivers a reassuring balance of portability and durability that feels dependable over time. Reason 5. Better temperature control improves cooking confidence. The built-in thermometer and twist-start ignition system contribute to a more reliable cooking experience overall. You're not constantly guessing temperatures or struggling to ignite burners outdoors. Combined with the stainless steel cooking grates, heat distribution feels even and predictable, which is especially important when cooking larger cuts of meat or more delicate foods. Of course, there are a few practical limitations to consider. Because this is a tabletop grill, you'll still need a stable surface during use, and the cooking space may feel compact for very large groups. It's also designed more for portability and versatility rather than heavy-duty backyard entertaining every weekend. Still, for buyers who value mobility without sacrificing cooking performance, the Cuisinart chef-style tabletop portable propane grill stands out as one of the more balanced options in its category. It combines strong heat output, intelligent design, and practical portability in a way that feels genuinely useful rather than overly specialized. If your current portable grill feels underpowered, difficult to transport, or inconsistent to cook on, this is definitely one worth considering carefully. Take a look at the link in the description, compare it to how you actually grill outdoors, and decide whether it fits the kind of experience you want long-term. That's ultimately what buying with confidence is all about.